Hello everybody, back, well, sort of. I still feel a little bit groggy though. If you didn't watch the live stream, I was really ill. But I still feel a little bit groggy. So what I thought I could do today is, there's a new shop opening, well, new like food place opened in town. It's been open about 3 or 4 weeks now, I think. Sometime towards the end of August. I've never been there. We looked online and it's open, so we're going to pop there and have a look. I'm not quite sure what they do. Apparently it's a bit of a weird one. But we're going to have a look anyway. Something to do with American dining or something, I think, or something. I don't even know what it's called. But we're going to go there and we're going to have a look and see what's what. I'm only going to get something simple because I still don't feel 100%, so I'm not going to fill my belly or nothing. But we'll go and have a look. If it's got music in there, I'll do a takeaway as well, so I'll get like a takeaway and sit somewhere and have it. Or if there's not music, we'll eat it in there and see what's what. So yeah, we'll go there. It does look a bit expensive, but I don't know, that's like everything nowadays, ain't it? Well, we're going to have a look anyway, eh? That's it guys, Betsy's. A little dessert shop. It's not just desserts. Born in Brooklyn, raised in Lichfield. I've never seen one of these shops before. I'm going to go in and have a look. See what they do. And I'll get some. I'm not sure there's any music. I presume there's going to be music in a place like this. So I might have to get it as a takeaway. But we'll see, eh? We'll see. Probably can't see nothing. Let's go and have a look. Don't even know what menu we got. Not sure. Tastes flipping awesome. Breakfast is served. They do a breakfast as well. In-store, Wi-Fi, aircons, deliveries and takeaway. Scan to view menu. Yeah, just open up, they're just training. So, let's go and have a look anyway. Let's go and have a look. Hello my mate, you okay?
Good, how are you?
Yeah. Looks a nice place this.
Is it? Thank you.
Have you got a menu mate or anything?
Yeah, you have to scan the QR code for menu, please.
Oh, on here?
Yeah.
Let me put my bag down first then. Firecracker chuck, what's that one? Let's have that, eh? Yeah, let's have that firecracker thing there. Right, got my food. There it is. And my drink. I've got nowhere to put my tripod. There's my drink there. I'm not going to be all over the place then. That's the problem with some of these places. You've got the music and you can't record in there, can you? You can record, put your own music on, but then you can't talk. It's just a pain, isn't it? Well, I was looking forward to sitting down as well, but never mind, eh? Anyway, let's try some of this strawberry crush, whatever it's called. Where can I put this? See if I can put this somewhere. There you go, that might be okay. A little bit wonky, but not a lot I can do. I still don't feel up to it, to be honest with you. Yeah. Tastes flipping awesome. It's only small, I mean it's only got a regular anyway. Good old paper straws as normal. Ooh. No, I don't like that. Tastes to me like slush puppy, won't melt it. Not too keen on that one. Or flat fizzy pop or something like that. Taste. No. Not very keen on that, but never mind. What have we got in here? some flipping fresh. Obviously wipes, ain't they, I suppose. He'll give you a fork, look. Some house sauce. Can't show you in the bag because I've put my tripod on there now. Here's the fries. Quite a lot of fries. Look at them. Quite big, them fries. Skin on fries. Let's have a look. Fold it over and show you. Let me know you've had a Betsy's by you. I can't show you, can I? You can't see properly. They look quite nice actually, them. They do look quite nice. Let's try one. They're not bad, actually they're not bad at all. And it's full to the brim. Where's that dipping sauce? All over the place, guys, I do apologise. Still not 100% with it. The house sauce I've had loads of different sauces. I had a house because I thought, well, I'll try a house one instead of a barbecue or anything. Let's try some of that. There it is. You see, blurred. Oh, I like that house sauce. That's nice. Always got a kick as well. Oh, that's very nice. I can't even read that. I haven't got my reading glasses on. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. Probably not. Oh, that's got a kick. Oh, that's got a... Ooh. Give me a little bit of this pop thing. Oh my God, that's got a burn. That's got a burn and half, that has. Burn and half. And let's try some of this. What was this one? A firecracker clock. I assume it's chicken, isn't it? I didn't even read what it was, so I'm going to make a mess with this, ain't I? 100%. Oh no. I can't eat that, man. See if I can get it so I can show you. There it is, look. I'm gonna get a white t-shirt as well. Look at this. Oh no. Let's try and sort it out. Got some of that sauce on my hand already. Let's. Oh. Never mind, eh? Never mind. There's the chicken. Let's try a bit of that chicken anyway. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. I can't really put that away a minute. It's all my throat out. Oh no. Oh my God. All that spicy, I don't think I'm going to be able to eat all that. Oh. Oh, that's hot. I can't remember, what did I say was on that? Right, well, it goes salt or something, or ghost sauce or something, I can't remember. God, that's hot. These are lovely, these fries are lovely. That chicken burger, all I can taste is burning. I can't taste anything else, so I can't really give that a review. It's nice and tender, but it's burning my throat. It really is. The house sauce is lovely, but it's burning me. Burns as well. But that chicken... Oh. Oh dear. That's what you get. Well, I'm going to try and eat some of it. We'll see how we get on. Jeez. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. Oh. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. Oh. Oh, it's burning. Jesus. Trying to get it down my neck as quick as I can. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh, let's get a wipe. Oh. Oh. Well, you get your wipes. That's a sign, isn't it, that you get messy. Oh. Suffering now. There's a video of me painting and... Oh, I can't really speak. That's burning, man. I didn't think that'd be that hot. You really want to say spicy, I don't know usually that spicy, are they? Gotta get my oasis out. My mouth's still burning. Just clean myself up a bit with that burger. I haven't got any over my t-shirt, which I'm shocked about. But my mouth is burning. It's on fire. Oh. So that cost £9.99p for that burger, that chips, and that drink. I didn't like the drink, not at all. That's really flat. I'm not even sure what it was supposed to be honest with you. Strawberry crush or something. But I didn't like it at all. The chips, absolutely lovely. I can't eat them at the minute, I'm still full. You can see now, I've tried to eat a few. Mouth's burning. Chips are really nice, them skin on fries. That burger was, I could taste it burning. My lips all burnt. It was all tender, but I just tried to get it in my gob as quick as I could to get rid of the burn. So all in all, $9.99. Is it worth $9.99? As a one-off, maybe, yeah, once in a time, you know. Yeah, them chips are definitely worth it. I'm not sure how much they are on their own. Probably a couple of quid. Them chips are really nice, and you do get a lot as well. They do loads of different burgers. They do waffles as well. Should have just had some waffles or something, shouldn't I? But there we go. Yeah, Betsy's. Let me know if you've got a Betsy's by you. I've never heard of it before. Will I go there again? Yeah, I'm going to go there again. I'm going to try something different next time. Maybe try some puddings and that. They've got some cheesecakes and crepes and pancakes and all that stuff. Loads of different burgers. What's it? Burgers. All this stuff. They've got all loads of different stuff. Milkshakes. So, yeah, we'll go again and we'll try it again. Something not so spicy. So I can enjoy it. It's a shame you can't record in there, that's all. But all in all, yeah, I enjoyed it. Apart from the drink. Mouth's starting to ease up a little bit. I'm going to have to give myself another drink now because that's nearly gone. I'll be gone in a second once I've gone. Yeah, as I say, I'm the old food guy. Just something quick to get us back at it again. I still don't feel 100%. That might sweat some stuff out of me. But till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.